નમસ્કાર બાલ દોસ્તો, ટ્રિગોમાં આપનું સ્વાગત છે. That is the triangle ABC. B is the 90 degree, C is the theta, therefore A is equal to 90 minus theta. That is the hypotenuse, in Gujarati કર્ણ. That is BC, theta ની પાસેની બાજુ. That is a base. Theta ની સામે, that is AB, that is perpendicular, સામેની બાજુ. હવે that is sin theta, not sin theta but sin C, that is C. Sin C is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, therefore AB by AC. And cos theta, not cos theta but cos C, because theta પાસેની બાજુ BC અને hypotenuse BC by AC, therefore tan theta. Tan theta is equal to સામે ભાગ્યા પાસે, AB by BC. AC cut, AB by BC. Cot inverse BC by AB. Cosec inverse of sine, therefore AC by AB, sec theta is equal to AC AC by BC. AC by BC. Here is not theta, tan C, cot C, cosec C, sec C. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.